and this is all you can eat, y'all. I'm talking all you can eat. And this is our first time here. We got the crab, the Dungeness crab and shrimp. Hey, Mom. Hey. So, I'm here with my mom. We are at, what is it called? 21st Street Seafood, and we're about to get the all-you-can-eat. They have $29.99 crab legs and shrimp, so we're about to get that. And yeah, so we're about to order. So she came in to take our order. I'm so excited because we never been here, and I was telling my mom about it. This is like the little rules that they have for the no to-go boxes, y'all. But of course, because people would take advantage of that if they had to-go boxes. But yeah, so there's that, and then they have the drink menu. Can I see the drink menu, Mom? This is the drink menu. Dungeness crab and shrimp. I still have to go to the bathroom and wash my hands, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. She said she's bringing our mojitos too, so we got a little bit of hot sauce, and I'll be right back because I gotta go wash my hands. It's a little syrupy, but it's all right. Little syrupy.
Maybe you should stir it up first.
Yeah, I should stir it. I don't taste no mint. I don't think they muddled the mint.
So presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concluding, concentrating on my abusing lover and my babies. Made me wanna ask you lady for a ticket out of town. So can I get a window seat? Hey. Don't want nobody next to me. I just wanna take it out of town and look around and I say touchdown. Can I get a window seat? Don't want nobody next to me. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to cry. I'm a long goodbye.
Alright y'all, so we just finished up. This is what I have left. I got like a couple shrimp. We probably had like 3 clusters each. We probably had like 3 clusters each of the Dungeness crab. I'm getting full, but I might get another cluster of Dungeness crab. I'm gonna just drink my drink and see how I feel. But right now I need to, y'all, I might have just made a mistake. I ordered another cluster of crab. And my mom don't want to share it with me. I hope I can eat it all. We're gonna see. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Come back, baby, come back. I want you to leave me